Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you a simple way to clear your history in the Yelp app on your phone. If you use Yelp frequently and want to manage your search and activity history, this video will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the Yelp app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, look for the More option at the bottom right and tap on it. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find Settings. Then tap to enter the Settings menu. After that, locate the option labeled Clear History and tap on it. Then click on Clear History again. Finally, confirm your choice by selecting Yes. This will remove all your past searches and activity from the app, giving you a clean slate to start fresh. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.